Today, we're reviewing the Bissell 1940 PowerFresh Steam Mop. This steam mop is known for its simple yet effective design, ease of use, versatility on multiple floor types, and ability to kill bacteria. Users have especially praised its compact design and affordable price. We'll analyze this steam mop based on multiple factors like cleaning performance, ease of use, and maneuverability to find if it's worth the money. Here we go. As always, you'll find links to exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, cleaning performance. The Bissell PowerFresh works wonders on various surfaces, from hardwood to tile and even stone or laminate flooring. Its steam settings allow you to adjust the intensity, making it perfect for both light cleaning and tackling tough, sticky messes. On tile floors, it's especially impressive. The steam penetrates grout lines, lifting dirt you didn't even know was there. Compared to the Shark Steam Pocket Mop S3D 501, the Bissell seems to offer more consistent steam flow and better deep cleaning. It can soak up all the ketchup and coffee stains, let alone the muddy pile-up. However, be careful when using it to clean sticky and tough stains like dried ketchup stains. You will have to give the mopping pads a good round of cleaning after you have used them to wipe our tough ketchup stains. Or else, the stickiness will linger and spread on all the floors you wipe using the same dirty mopping pad. Another heads up, some users have mentioned that it can leave streaks if the pads aren't changed frequently, and it might not be the best choice for carpets. Rest assured, you can enjoy shiny and clean floors with this genius. Next is maneuverability. The PowerFresh has a dual swiveling head that makes it easy to reach tight spots, like under dishwashers and cabinets. The thick mop pad also compresses into corners. Its 23-foot power cord is long enough for most rooms, so you rarely need to switch outlets. Regarding what could be challenging, the mop head's curved backside makes it hard to clean along the edges of the floor. Besides, it doesn't have a flip-type pad like Shark Steam Mops. This means once the mopping pad is sticky, you must change it. Nonetheless, the swivel steering is a big plus, allowing smooth movement without much effort. And gliding the mop up and down the room is completely a breeze thanks to the continuous steam flow. Just to compare, the Shark mops need a pumping pressure to release more steam and make the pad glide, a good technique to check on water spent but tough on arms. Now, ease of use and maintenance. Setting up the Bissell PowerFresh is a breeze. Just fill the water tank, attach the mop pad, and you're good to go. The thick, shaggy cleaning pads absorb moisture and dirt well. They attach easily with an elastic band and are simple to remove. The PowerFresh includes 2 washable, reusable pads. The removable water tank has a decent capacity of 455 ml. It is easy to fill and lasts long enough for a thorough cleaning session. It takes 30 seconds for the water to heat up and start the steam flow. The easy scrubber attachment helps with tougher spots, adding to its convenience. While the Bissell has an on and off button for the steam settings, the Shark Steam Mops need to be unplugged to turn it off. Also, you don't need to find a corner in between your mopping session to rest Bissell Steam Mop. Unlike the Shark ones, Bissell Steam Mop can stand straight on its own. Now, let's talk about features and attachments. The Bissell 1940 PowerFresh comes with some handy features. It has 3 steam settings: low, medium, and high, so you can customize your cleaning. The included fragrance discs leave your floors smelling fresh, which is a nice touch. The easy scrubber flips down to help with grout and sticky messes, making this mop quite versatile. However, you don't get anything like a hose or something to clean small holes in furniture. Finally, warranty and customer support. The Bissell PowerFresh comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Bissell's customer support is generally responsive, though some users have reported occasional delays. In conclusion, the Bissell 1940 PowerFresh Steam Mop is a solid choice for most homes with 1 or 2 small rooms. It's perfect for glazed tiles, stone, or hard floors, with a plush pad for corners and a dual swiveling head to reach under appliances. Minor issues are the hard-to-check water level, a small scrub brush, and a non-flat mop head back. But these issues are minor compared to its many perks. Besides, getting such an effective steam mop under $100 is a deal. If you found the video helpful, do like and share. Happy cleaning!